This video gets 20,000 likes, I'll literally burn down my house.
Yeah, it's Crunch Week! Woo! Yeah!
We're the toast of the town. Uptown, hello, we never take no work.
I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands, 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 brands. Give me some space for both my hands, 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 hands. You, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on.
Oh no, watch out, it's him, he's here.
Hi guys.
We're in the video, guys.
It's a video.
Oh.
Yes.
Don't take it. Is your voice getting worse? Are you alright?
I don't know. Hey Charlie, how's it going?
It's good.
Travis. Oh, hey Travis, how you doing?
What's up?
Hey Katie, how you doing?
Wait, are those?
Hey Olivia, how's it going? Hey Sam, how's it going?
HP Lovecraft.
Oh, that's nice. Hey Carly, how's it going? Aw, hey Faith, how's it going?
Friday. I made it, Mom.
Hey y'all, how's it going, boy? Hey y'all, how's it going, boy?
I'm not dressed up for tacky day, okay?
Everything you wear is tacky.
Oh!
Ooh, shots down.
You're so fancy. You already know.
What are you doing? Get out of my face with that camera.
Did you see that, Jax?
Tell me, who's your favorite sister, Roxy or Myrtle? Yes, what a queen. Bye, Freddie. Good luck, Freddie. Okay, Katie, what's your favorite part about coming to CFT every single Tuesday?
Seeing my friends, because my friends are the highlight of my life.
Aww. Are we in the frame? Yeah. So guys, it's tech rehearsal right now. We're just chilling outside. They did give me a mic.
Hey guys, this is Olivia and Katie. We have to leave, so you can see by our patrol uniforms. We're just giving you guys an update.
Wait, where the heck did Katie go?
That's big. I'm like, yo, yo, yo.
Oh boy, how you been?
Yo, I'm good. I'm hot.
Hey y'all. Hi. How you been? How you doing?
Oh, you got
Give you two answers and you can cut it. I don't care. It's fine. This is just really hard for me. I've always been here, and it's rough. But I'm really happy to be here.
Travis punched me today.
You just asked me.
You feeling good?
Feeling great.
Oh my gosh! Breathing. I didn't mean to. I was trying to pick on go.
Coleman, are you okay? Coleman, are you okay? Coleman. What's one thing about CFC that makes you like really happy?
Well, I really enjoy being around a bunch of different people and being able to do drama and learn dance choreography together. That's something I really enjoy.
All the way for the bit.
Like, what are you gonna do after Crunch is over?
I'm gonna sleep.
duck.
Hey guys, who here loves food?
It was a lot of fun, actually. People were a lot nicer than I thought, which sounds bad. I don't know. But you know,
No, that's really good.
I've had a lot of fun.
Why?
Anyways, yeah, it's been a lot of fun, and Crunch is great, and yeah.
Cassidy, you want to be in my vlog?
What's up, y'all? Hello.
Are we in the frame?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, y'all? How's it going? How you been?
CFT really gave me like a place to just make friends, and some of my closest friends that I've like kept throughout the years I've made from CFT.
Hi, Shelby's video.
What is going on?
Sounds goofy. I approve.
Frankie said so.
I'm feeling very money today.
Are you sad that it's your last year in CFT?
I am sad that it is my last year.
I don't know what's funny to that, man.
Have a great day.
Frankie, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love the Tuesday Omegas? 4? Oh, wow.
You guys are 10. You guys are 10.
Thanks. Okay.
Hey, Lauren, how you feeling? Good. Wait.
So let me be real for a minute. When I go to CFT, it's like fun. But when I'm not at CFT, it's like bye.
Throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, ayo, gotta let go.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are we?
I mean, we're pretty cool. She's kidding. We're a bunch of losers.
Yeah.
I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, ayo, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite.
Lauren, I love the wig.
If you're in any kind of situation like this, lock yourself in a room until you stop being in a situation like this. Please, for the better of all humanity.
Hot boy right here.
It's me and my boy Travis.
I came to move, 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 move. Get out the way of me and my crew, 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 crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do just what the phone came here to do. Yip, yip, 'cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on.
Or should I say Charsley? Oh, I'm hilarious.
What sound just came out of his mouth?
Lisa! That was so cute. This is the face of someone who just got granted with Chick-fil-A. Watch out, bro!
Scares me.
Ooh, Katie. Be yourself.
Stop saying no. I hate when people tell me that.
No, that one scares me so bad.
Hi, how you been? Call me.
I'm the best mom around. I'm the best mom in this.
She's the best mom. Makeup.
Chloe, I love your mom. I'm getting up. You should see it.
Mom, why do you have more friends in CFT than I?
Freddie, how's your day been? Look at this. Brothers who meme together stay together. Ain't that right, man?
They're the meme team.
They're the meme team.
No, I came up with a good name for you guys. You're the meme team.
Parlay, how are you doing?
My face was really heavy because I have makeup on for the first time, so.
Really? The first time? Oh.
I'm tired but very excited. Yay! I'm tired. I love you. Bye.
Going to sleep.
Good luck. I believe in you. You're gonna do good on that test tomorrow.
What did you just say? Wrong. What a guy.
Don't drink that. It's bad for you.
Why did you open it for him then?
Ew, it tastes like chemical.
Sawyer's brought the healthy stuff.
I don't think I'm going to be able to dance in these, but.
I came to move, 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 move. Get out the way of me and my crew, 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 crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do just what the phone came here to do.
Katie, sing. You guys, it's opening night! Yay! It's opening night, Freddie. Freddie, are you excited?
Yes.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Are you excited for the play?
Yeah.
Hi, Angelica. Are you excited? Are you excited, Ethan? Are you excited for the play?
Make me. Oh yeah, sure. Before you go. Hang on. Yeah, I'm excited. It should be fun.
Are you guys excited? Yeah. Are you excited as well? Yeah. Are you excited, Cassidy? Yes. Are you excited, Katie? Look at those Southern goals. That is they look so alike. Ethan. Are you excited, Wesley? Dad.
Stop trying to recreate special moments for your stupid video. Actually, I love the video.
Are you excited?
Look at her.
I'm very excited.
I like your head.
I'm so ready for you guys. You're gonna do so good.
Do you want to take it?
My Lord's gonna see me through. No matter what the case may be, my Lord's gonna fix it for me.
Lydia, Act 1 is done. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling super happy.
Hey, Act 1 is done. Are you feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling amazing. I just gotta go put my mic on, so bye.
Bye. Isabel, are you excited for Act 2? Okay, so basically, Act 1 just ended. It's opening night. It was really good. What's going to say? Oh, we're in intermission right now. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
You guys are doing so good.
Sorry about that. It's later. No one likes the first part. You guys excited? Yeah.
Oh my god. Pretty late.
I'm just really tired. Katie and Olivia are in the bathroom, and Jay is also in the bathroom. Wow, they're such a family. So related. Yay!
And shooting.
Yay, Carly! Well, here's our close Olivia. Right. What? Right. It's left. Right. Left. Right.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
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 I said, who's got my back?
I got your back.
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 Break it down. Break it down. Come in. Break it down. Lucky on three. Lucky on three. 1, 2, 3. Lucky.
I've got confidence, yes I do. My Lord's gonna see me through. No matter what the case may be, my Lord's gonna fix it for me. I've got confidence, yes I do. My Lord's gonna see me through. No matter what the case may be, my Lord's gonna fix it for me.
This is the worst one I've ever had. Honestly.
We are the green. We are the green. Flamingos. Flamingos. I said we are the green. I said the green. I don't know what I'm doing. Flamingos. Tuesday. 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 Friendship, 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 friendship.
What? This is like the loudest group.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
I don't
being like you. We're gonna jump up and down for a second.
I've never done this one, so what?
Right.
Who's got my back? I got your back. Who's got my back? I got your back. Who's got my back? I got your back. I got your back. I got your back. I got your back. I got your back.
Ready, set, go.
Slay.
I'm so scared. Yay!
I'm zooming in.
Oh yeah. Travis just said take.
I'm taking a video.
Video I kind of want to be a part of it though.
Do it. Katie!
You have no idea what this is.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
Who's got my back?
I got your back.
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 Oh, groovy clapping, guys. Got confidence, yes I do. My Lord's gonna see me.
I've got confidence, yes I do. My Lord's gonna see me through. No matter what the case may be, my Lord's gonna fix it for me.
What?
I got
Confidence, yes I do.
Break it down, break it down. You know, lucky on three, lucky on three. 1, 2, 3,
Lucky! Tuesday!